Sources close to Sachin Tendulkar have told us that the Master Blaster turned down a mega endorsement offer from a top liquor brand. Times now learns that the Master Blaster said no to a record-breaking deal due to the promise he made to his father years ago.
Almost a month ago is when there was an offer made by, we can't confirm the name of the company, but a top liquor brand that offered Sachin Tendulkar around a whopping 20 crore for 1 year. And Sachin Tendulkar, in fact, reverted back and denied that offer, record-breaking deal offer from the top liquor brand. In fact, this comes after Sachin Tendulkar had once promised his father while he was alive. He's mentioned to Sachin during a meeting, a closed-door meeting, family meeting, that you would be paid tons of money to do advertisement, but make sure that you do not endorse a product that will have adverse effect on youngsters. And Sachin, since then, it's an open secret, has always mentioned that I will never endorse a product that will have a harmful effect on the youngsters because youngsters emulate me.
He made two very definite choices. One was that he would not endorse brands that he did not believe in, or that he didn't use, or which he didn't feel suited his image. And the other was not to do scripts or to change scripts which did not make him look credible or make him look comfortable. These are two areas which he's been very consistent with, and he learnt very early in his career.
No, I remember in my playing days, I got an offer for the liquor company, and I went to Sachin Tendulkar, shall I do it? And he said no, at that time also. And I still remember, if he refused that, money is not the problem for Sachin Tendulkar, it's the image. If Sachin Tendulkar give any advertisement with the glass of liquor, or it doesn't suit him. And this is the way he is, and he will be. And I appreciate what he is doing.